What's up, everybody? It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and I'm just doing my end of the year review with you guys to share all the opportunities and things that happened this year, and going forward, what we're going towards. So this year was absolutely phenomenal. Had a great 2019. Got to go so many places, race different places. I think my favorite place that I went to this year was definitely Las Vegas when we had the DRL tryouts. There was so many people there. Got to meet so many awesome people and new friends and things like that. We also took a trip to Oklahoma, and we also went to Arizona. We went to Wooptopia down there for the big race, and I got to meet AK, which was really awesome, and Noodle FPV. And so we just had a absolute blast this year. The channel, I had over 1.2 million views, and now that is total views overall for the entire time my channel has been alive. The channel has been operating for a little over 3 years now. So November 25th of this year marks 3 years that we've been on YouTube. We started out just doing a basic unboxing of a drone that I bought from Walmart, and I didn't think it would go anywhere at all, but that original video really blew up and really started the channel. That's what really made it big. And you know, I started out just doing reviews for like GearBest and things like that, and then eventually found FPV a couple years back, and I haven't looked back. So just thank you to all the subscribers, to all the viewers, everybody that's supported me, all the awesome comments. You guys are great. And so moving forward in 2020, I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. I'm going to keep doing videos. I'm going to keep doing everything, tutorials, reviews when I can. Thank you to my awesome sponsor, Full Send FPV. Make sure to check them down in the listing below. So thank you to them. I can't believe that I got sponsored by them, so really appreciate that. And just can't wait to see what this next 2020 is going to leave to us. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm just going to leave you with some of my favorite clips from 2019, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Make sure to keep your drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you later.